I'm so happy right now. I usually don't show day in my life videos because I don't think that I do much every day, but 2 of my friends should be coming down this weekend, so I will take you around and show you what we do. And obviously my day started with the BTS Dynamite music video that was just released, so yeah, so hopefully this is exciting. The song is so catchy and I'm really excited that they released it. Actually, just in general, all of the members were so good. And yeah, so I'm gonna go listen to the music video again and also finish editing my video that I'm supposed to post tomorrow. And then also I have to go to bed because I have so many meetings tomorrow for work. So this will be it for now, and I will see you in the morning. Bye guys. Okay, so I just rewatched the music video and I had to come back on because I really just wanted to say how much I really love the boys and they did so well, and I'm actually like tearing up right now because the music video was so good. And wow, words. Go stream Dynamite. Even though this will be after. Do you guys see this? I think that I just really loved how cute the music video was and just the interactions that you see between the boys. And I think that obviously they've been together for 7 years now, and you can really see how close that they've gotten in their music video, and their friendships are just so cute and I love them. So I hope you love them too. I'm not going to cry on camera, so now for real, I'm going to leave. Bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning. So now it is 8:30 and I am going to go to work. I'm so nervous. And back to work. It is 4:12 and I decided to get off of work now, and I'm exporting my video now that will probably go up tonight. I may have procrastinated a little bit, so we'll see. Hopefully I can finish it before my friends get here. You good?
I am good.
Okay.
I'll see you
Bye.
more than a month.
Alright, be safe.
He's driving you insane.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay guys, I dropped off Sharon and now I'm going to go pick up the cake. So this weekend is Johnny's birthday and I wanted to surprise him with a cake. So we're gonna go pick that up now.
Whoa! Is it recording? Yeah. Is it recording?
No.
I got sea salt.
Oh, this smoothie's really good. Oh no, you can just go in. Yeah. Go ahead. Here you got our stuff.
Hi, welcome back to my channel.
Wait, should I?
No, don't blow. Just smile. Just smile. Look at the camera. Yeah.
Gosh, that's swell.
Try it together.
Oh, that's really cute. Alright, sorry, I my hand. I washed my hands.
Eat it! No one said anything!
I just pretend it didn't happen. I'll cut that part out.
Stay right back.
Would you like another scoop?
Ready?
What's your final opinion of Columbus?
Oh, I give it like an 8 out of 10, honestly. Yeah. It's not too sweet, and like it's not too rich either, but
What does that mean?
What?
She asked you about Columbus.
Yeah.
Columbus is very sweet. It's very sweet and rich.
Oh wait, you were talking about.
He was talking about
the banana pudding, not Columbus. I'm like, that's so metaphorical. I don't think I know what that means.
No, I wouldn't say Columbus itself is not sweet and rich.
Hello. So it is 1:40 p.m. on Sunday and I finally got out of bed. So today is actually going to be my lazy day and I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to have planned. I'm supposed to draw my bullet journal today, but we'll see if that actually happens. I'm kind of worried because it is a little bit cloudy out, so I don't know if the lighting will be okay when I do my bullet journal. But I have a theme that I kind of like, and I'm still playing around with the idea, and we'll see how it turns out.
not fall asleep, yeah. I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
So there's still some daylight outside, and by daylight I mean it's literally only like 2 p.m. and hopefully the planning will go really smoothly and I'll be done in a couple of hours. And then I think maybe I'm going to go eat with some friends, and that will be probably end of the day. So here we go.
I need someone to hold my mind.
It's now 8 o'clock and I finally finished drawing out my bullet journal. So I think when I don't have any direction going in with my bullet journal, it ends up taking me a lot longer to draw. And also I was just really unconfident in my drawing ability this month because I really wanted to do a brunch theme. You guys can let me know what you think of it. I'm gonna go head over to my friends for dinner soon, but for the rest of the night it'll probably just be a lot of relaxation and taking a break before I start my next week. So with that, I am going to turn this off and then decide what I'm going to do next. It's already night, but there's this giant cloud. Look at it. It's so pretty. Thanks, Alvin. So it is 12:15 and I am going to get ready for bed now, and thank you for spending this weekend with me, and I hope that it was enjoyable to watch, and I will see you all in my next video.